Alright, so this is a tutorial and video on how to use Metatrader 5. So this is my Metatrader 5 account on Solid DCN, which is OK broker, solid broker that I use. This is just a demo account just to get this video done. But alright, so let me walk it through everything. So we have right here the drawing tools for drawing on a chart. So you can change, this is the arrow, or you can change it to the lines option. You got lines that you can draw, drawing tools, you know, whatever, fibonacci tool. You can even draw shapes and stuff if you want. This is the time frames, so you got the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 hour, you know. This stuff I don't even use, so honestly this doesn't even matter. This is a symbol list if you want to look at all the symbols that they have. But you can also do that right here like that if you right click and then click the symbol. That's how I do it. Like, all this stuff doesn't really matter. I never use it. This matters if you use an EA, which is an expert advisor, which is basically a program that you can code and it'll basically trade for you. You can make a trading bot, or you can just create some other program to help you trade. But I use my own personal trading EA, but it's just to enter trades. It's not like some complicated trading robot. It's just that buy and sell with a max lot limit, so that kind of doesn't matter. So if you use an EA, you can use that. This is a new order. And so this is for creating a new order. If you want to make a custom order that's not market execution. So if you want to do a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit, you know, volume, price, stop loss, take profit, you know, you can change the expiration dates, add a comment, whatever. Yeah, this is for changing the chart type. I don't even use this because I trade everything on candles, so this isn't really relevant to me. This is zoom in, zoom out if you need to do that. This is arranging windows. So if you want to, I only trade one market, but if you want to like trade multiple markets, you can arrange windows and add more markets so you can trade multiple at one time, but I don't, so I'm just not going to go over that in this video. And then we have the this is the scroll to chart option. So if you go all the way back in time and you're looking at different at the chart at a different time, and you don't want to have to scroll all the way to the back to the current price, you can just click this and then it'll automatically take you to the current price based on whenever the price moves. So that way you can just scroll back and automatically keep taking you to the current price. And then we have the chart gap right here. If you like having a gap between the chart, which I think most people do, so they have that option. You can take photos if you want. I never use this, so that's kind of not really relevant. They also have chart shift, so if you want to like move your chart a little bit, you can do that. I don't really use it though, so it's not really relevant to me. Over here you have the symbols. This is all the symbols, the market watch symbol watch list. If you want, you can add the symbols right here: forex major, forex crosses, forex minor, metals. And so these are just major forex pairs. These are less popular, less common forex pairs. So major is everything that's correlated with the US dollar. Every forex crosses is everything that doesn't have the US dollar tied to it. And forex minor is just like pairs that aren't very common in foreign exchange markets. Then you got metals and silver and gold, palladium. I don't really trade any of this. I only trade AUD USD, so that's the only one I have on my watch list. You got crypto, You know, you can go down the list, spot indices, you got spot commodities, you got oil, and I think that's all they have. And then from here you can, you know, mess around with the list if you want to find more information on and check it out. But you know, you can add the different information settings for your pairs and your list. I only use spread and bid and ask because that's the only thing that matters. I don't really check this because I only have one pair, so it doesn't really matter that much for me. But yeah, they have that for you, and I like to minimize it. And then you got right here, this is the balance, and your open trades will pop up below this if you enter trades. So there's that. And then exposure is how much money you're in a trade. So if you are in a trade, it'll divvy up this pie chart and show you how much money is in the trade, how much drawdown you're in, how much profit you're in, etc. They got trading history, you know, stop loss, TPs, price, volume, type, ticket, symbol, tickets, data, time and date, also price, commission amount for the trade, profit or loss. This is a demo account that was just testing out, so it's $92 loss. Yeah, percent change. And then if you want to add different columns, they got all these different things that you can check out. News, I don't ever use this. I don't use this either. I don't use this either. I don't use this. I don't use this. I don't use this. This is pretty useful, code based. So this is where you can get custom coded stuff that is open source that people upload for free. So if you want, you can go through this whole list and check out different you know, scripts and EAs that people give out for free. That's where I get some of these custom things that I can go over later, but you can download free stuff that's open source and then use it for yourself. That's what I did for some of my different scripts, like close up a chart and stuff, experts. And I guess I never even use this, so I think this just shows you the status of your EA. Journal, this is just the status of the Metatrader and different things that have been happening on the software, so I never really checked this. This doesn't really matter that much. All right, so okay, chart settings, I forgot. So you can edit the properties of your chart. They have all these different settings that you can, you know, mess with. So I recommend getting a demo account on a broker that you use, or this broker, and then just playing around with it, see, you know, all the different settings. But if you want to change the color of your chart and settings, go right here, play around with it. You can show the different options, trade history, you know, grid and stuff like that. And then you can change the colors. These are all custom colors that I made based on my preferences. So there's that. So that's how you change the chart appearance settings. All right, so over here we have the accounts that you're logged in on the broker, and any EAs that are on the account. You got indicators that are included with Metatrader. So if you like using indicators, you can use all of these for free and check them out. I don't really use anything. I don't use the indicators when I'm using Metatrader. I only use it to get in and out of trades and manage my trades. I use TradingView to do analysis, so I don't really use any of that. Expert advisors, so they do have like default free expert advisors for you to check it. I've never checked out any of these. I had a custom one made, which is this right here, but this is very simple. It's just to get it in and out of trades. It's basically the same thing as this, except I wanted to have a max trade lot setting so that I don't over leverage. So that's why I had that custom EA made, and it also displays the risk amount. So I just do that, but it's basically the same thing as this. And then they got scripts. So scripts are like automatic. Scripts are auto executed settings. So like this right here, close open chart. If I click this and then I drag it on chart, or if I double click it, or if I just click and then and press enter, it will close all the trades on here. So it's like an automatic function. That's what a script is. It's an automatic function to do something. So if I want to modify multiple buy orders at the same time, I can click this script, and then it'll change the stop loss and take profit of every single different order that's open. So that's what a script does. And then I have one for modifying sell orders. So those are the only like 3 scripts that I use. I have a close all script, which is for closing all orders in multiple markets and not just the open chart market. But I never use it because you can just close all of them here. They have bulk operations now in MT5. Unlike MT4, you can delete all orders. So this is or close all positions, which is the same thing as close all. So I don't really use this script. And then they have all these other things. I never use any of this. So, I mean, that's just the basics of Metatrader. You don't really need to know every little thing. You just need to know how to get in and out of trades and edit your trades and know how to trade the markets you're trading. And that's it. I recommend making a demo account on a broker, whether it's Solid ECN or another broker, and just playing around with the program just to get a feel for it, so you understand how it works and just how it feels and how to use it. So that's it for this video.